Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's classify the bisphosphonates. So this is the classification of the bisphosphonates, and it is mainly based on the potency. So there are three generations. Looking at the first generation, it includes the ET donates. So it has the donates. So what are the donates? It includes the AT donate, the clot donate, the TILU donate. Now moving on to the second generation. How is the second generation separate from the first? The second generation is around 10 to 100 times more potent than the first generation. 10 to 100 times more potent than the first generation. So what are the products? The drugs, it includes the alendronate, the pamdronate, as well as the ibandronate. Now moving on to the third generation. The third generation, it is about 10,000 times more potent than the first generation. And here the examples, it includes the zolidronate as well as the risdronate. So zolidronate as well as the rizidronate. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.